Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette. I just got this in the mail the other day. Oops, brush. And I'm really excited to use this. It's very bright. Again, their last palette, the Riviera palette, that one started to incorporate bright colors as well, and I really love my bright colors, so I am very excited to use this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, now I already have my eyes primed using my Essence Eye Lip Color Intensifying Eye Primer. And it's a great affordable eye primer. You can find that at Ulta. The first shade I'll be going in with is Texas Made, which is the hot pink that's right there next to the yellow and blue. And I'm going to be going in with my Alamar Cosmetics blending brush. And this shade I'm going to be putting all over in my crease, and I'm going to be taking this actually pretty high. And next I'll be going in with the shade Believe on my Morphe M514. So this I'm going to put just right in my crease and start to darken the crease up. And I am taking this from all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner, and I'm not too worried about my lid because I will be cleaning that up with concealer. Using the same brush, I'm going to pick up just a little bit of the hot pink shade Texas Made. And I'm just gonna go right above where I placed the purple shade, and I'm just gonna slowly start to blend this over that line there, just to brighten up the pink and also help to blend that purple out some there. Okay, so now I went ahead and actually I finished this, the purple on this side, then I went ahead and did the pink and purple on this side, and it took me a while. It took me about 5 minutes each eye, just building and blending that purple shade out. I do understand it is a pressed pigment, and I do normally have some difficulties with purples. They can be a little bit hard to blend and everything like that, but overall I think this one turned out pretty good. Just a little bit patchy, but that's okay. I'm not too concerned about that. I didn't go crazy with packing it on. I'm sure if you wanted to like pack this on the lid or something like that, it would absolutely work. For me, I'm not too concerned about that because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be cutting the crease anyway next. So using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and a Morphe M421, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut my crease. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade Brick Road, which is the bright yellow shade, and using my Alamar, this is like a flat shader brush, I'm going to be picking that shade up, and I'm going to be applying that to where I applied the concealer. Alright, so I went ahead and I also did this eye as well. It went really nice. To be honest, I actually switched brushes, and using a more dense packer style brush like this actually worked out a little bit better for packing on the eyeshadow onto my lid. So I would recommend using more of a denser brush as opposed to this flatter style brush. This is awesome for like shimmers and everything, but because this is a matte shade, this one worked out a lot better there. However, I just went ahead and I cleaned up just the edges. I didn't really have a lot of fallout underneath my eyes at all, surprisingly, but I went ahead and I cleaned up the edges here with just a makeup wipe, and I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face here, and I'll be right back to finish up the eye look. Alright, and I'm back, and now that I have the rest of my face done, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my eyes. Let me go ahead and scoot you back in a little bit here. And in case you're wondering what's on my face, I did just do a first impressions review on the new Natasha Denona Tan Bronze and Glow palette. I should have this up on my channel in about 2 days, so definitely be on the lookout for that if you are interested in hearing my first thoughts on this palette here. So going back in with my Alyssa Edwards palette here, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my lower lash line here. So I'm going to be actually picking up the shade Dream It, which is the blue matte shade right there. And on my pencil brush, I'm just going to be applying that right to my lower lash line. And next I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my top lash line. And then to line my waterline, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Always On Gel Eyeliner in Fishnet. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I almost forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm going to, let's try the shade Inspire. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up that shade here on another pencil brush and just put that right in the inner corners there. Alright, and here's the completed look. So overall, I really enjoyed the Alyssa Edwards palette. I mainly only used the matte shades from the palette, but I used basically all the brightest matte shades that were in the palette. The only metallic one I used was Inspire there in my inner corners, and that one is really, really pretty. And I really enjoyed the how the bright shades worked out as well. I think my eye look came out really pretty, even though it's an all matte look. I really do enjoy it, something a little bit different for me, a little bit, you know, very colorful on the eyelids with the pop of the blue there on the lower lash line. I overall really did like this palette. If you are picking up this palette or already have this palette, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts about it. And that completes this video. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.